Halton Housing really were looking for a solution that would help them with better insights into their property portfolio, trying to use things like preemptive maintenance to identify potential areas for damp, mould, and vacant properties and unauthorised occupancy. Halton are clearly a quite advanced housing association with great reputation, and what we've been able to do is just work in partnership, I think, with Halton, where we've put the skills in where necessary, predominantly in the back-end systems. Obviously, Halton Housing have deployed the sensors and the gateways, and we're now helping manage that, monitor that, and obviously work with Halton to continue to develop the application so that we're presenting that real-time insight data in the best possible format.
The main aim of the project is to see if we can identify homes that are being affected by water ingress or water damage produced by internal sources or humidity. The quicker we can diagnose and resolve these issues, the quicker we can fix them. This will hopefully lower the cost of reactive maintenance by allowing us to detect the problem earlier. Our relationship with Pinacl has been fantastic from the moment we first met with them. They had a clear approach and a very focused solution for us. There are numerous examples of where the products were being used and had triggers already in place. We're able to suggest changes to views and dashboards which progress rapidly through the flexible back-end system.
Well, in terms of our transformation, from a digital perspective, we want to continue to offer online services to our customers to keep our target of 90% online transactions. We want to continue to be as agile and flexible a workforce as we can possibly be. And the next stage is for us in terms of transformation is how we can turn our services from being reactive to being preemptive by using data, sensors, Internet of Things and local knowledge.